Mr. Helpers, give my number today. Dirty old roads in the neighborhood. Mr. Lawrence gave me the money for a boy named Yenchman. I love living on my own to be happy. Mr. Helpers came to the station. Mr. Levi takes the money from Yonkers to New York City. I love living on my own to be happy. Mr. Helpers came to the station. Mr. Levi takes the money from Yonkers to New York City. Mr. Helpers, give my number today. Dirty old road in the neighborhood. Mr. Helpers makes the money for bills. I don't care if it's you. Mr. Levi took me to the station in Yonkers Station. Mr. Levi went to Margar's to have dinner in the city of New York. Dancing Dolly on the stage twirls around the men. Mr. Peters took me to Levi Station from Yonkers to Garrison. Dolly Levi marched around the parade in the marching band. She danced the night away to Levi Station.